Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Now it's time to do a little presentation of something that I got recently, and this is the multifunction jump starter. You would ask me why I got this, because I already have the tire pressure compressor. And yes, that's right. But this thing, guys, it's even more functional. It has more functions, and it's simply more practical. And I would like to show it to you, what it's inside. I mean, how it works, what it's inside, and why it is very useful to have it on your longer trips with your motorcycle. And even you can have it in your car. It can always be very, very helpful. After some time, when I got the tire compressor, and after an email that I got from one of my followers from the USA, in fact a very passionate follower, Larry, hi, and thanks for everything. I listened to you, and I bought the multifunction jump starter, like I mentioned in the very beginning of this video. And why I got this thing, why I got this gadget? Simply because it is a very, very helpful thing if you are stuck on the road somewhere, even if you are stuck in your car and it won't start. You just use this thing, and this is a multifunctional gadget, and I can tell you that it is a car emergency starter. It is a digital products charging system. It has a light rescue function built in. You can aerate gadget things, and it is a TPMS gadget too. So really a multifunctional gadget, and you can have it also in your car, like I mentioned. And after buying the compressor, I mean tire compressor, that I can freely use on my trips, I was just thinking about what Larry mentioned, and he said that having a jump starter, it's a must, because you never know when it can happen on the road or in front of a hotel or wherever, you know, guys. And with that thing, you can help yourself a lot. And that's why I bought it. And I can right now confirm that this thing, it's a really, really good gadget. You can even charge your mobile device on it, and right now I'm gonna show it to you. Let me open the box right now. It is packed in such a nice black book. I would say it's like a book, because you will see you can open it just like a book. And here we have the main thing. So this is the gadget. Here you have the light in case you need it. Here you connect the cable to put some air in your tires, and here you have the display that shows you everything that it's going on with the gadget. And here you can even put inside the cable to charge it, you know. So it is a very practical instrument, I would say. Let me close this thing. Yeah, okay. And to be honest, it's not heavier than the normal tire compressor, but it has more functions, and I am very happy with it. And having this thing, you are really safe on the road when riding or even driving. Let me show you now the cables. So here is everything that you need to do a jump start. You can see it. And here it's the cable to put some pressure, to put some air in your tires. Here it's the USB-C cable to charge your devices. And here are just the mounts to put some air in your tires, if you have a flat tire. And the instructions, and I'm not gonna show everything right now to you because I just tried it, and it works very well. Everything is fine. Now it is not charged, it is not even charged, but as you can see, it is a completely new gadget, because I still have here you can see, I'm gonna remove it right now, the paper, the protection paper for the gadget. And now I have this, and I am not really supposed to use the tire compressor anymore, because everything, as you can see, is inside of this gadget. And having everything in just one piece, in one gadget, it's the way to go. It's very important. I bought it on AliExpress, and it came to me in 3 weeks. That is quite fast in my opinion, and I am happy with it. Next time I am gonna film a short video about how it works, and till then, guys, thanks for watching, and till the next one, ride safe.